Yes guys, I'm back again today. I'm doing a 46-kilometre ride around Longleat and the borders of Wiltshire and Somerset. So, let's get into it. So I just jumped onto the National Cycle Route 25. So when you want to come, you can come and check it out.
The Cycle Route 25 connects Longleat to Bournemouth, passing through Wiltshire, Dorset and Somerset.
Right guys, welcome to the Longleat Wildlife and Safari Park. Got views of the Longleat House, guys. It's arguably one of the most popular Elizabethan houses in the UK. It's pretty much four miles from Warminster, if you're wondering where it is, or if you're trying to get here. So I'm not using the normal visitor access, I'm just using the normal cycle route, the freeway, the free entrance to get in. I've also heard and also read that on this ride you can see various wild animals. However, I've got no intentions of getting close to any. So the cycle route's taking us away from the park now by the looks of it. There's quite a few hills as well. So, which I'm starting to get into now. I've just passed a 10-way marker, so I'm gonna keep pushing to a place called Frome, leave the cycle route 25, head to a village called Nunney. There's a 14th century castle over there, so we're gonna head over there, check that out. So that's us officially left the cycle route 24. So heading down towards Nunney now to check out that castle. Apparently the design was heavily influenced by French. Okay guys, we're on our way to a popular cycling stop. So we're gonna go check that out. Apparently they do loads stuff like coffee, cake, ice cream, all sorts in there. So we're gonna give that a visit and see you soon.